This AI bot compounds your money for you.
Alright guys, check it out. As you can see, I came across this site called Milo Bitcoin, and pretty much is they have a built-in AI bot that actually compounds your money for you, and actually could start out with just $1, you know, and it make a deposit using your crypto wallet, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and these are the plans right here. As you can see, you can earn 200%, 24 hours, 450% in 48 hours, etc. And yeah, this is something you guys need to get into. You can only and you can start with just $1, so you can deposit as much as you want if you like. But I started out with $1, and it's compounded for me. I just started it, and there go the results right there. So it's just like flipping your money. You make the deposit, the bot makes you money. Once you get in your account, you take it, reinvest it, and let the AI bot compound more. Information in the description. Get on it.